Oh man, I'm so happy, guys. I just got a new bag for my camera. Woohoo! It's awesome. I can't wait to show you right after this. Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome to Geek, Dunn, Ryte, the show where I talk about whatever it is I feel like. I'm Chris. Thanks for coming to geek out with me. So guess what, guys? I'm going to New York! Yeah, and with the new camera and everything like that, I wanted to make sure that my stuff was protected and also that it wasn't too cumbersome to carry around. So I did some research on a bunch of different bags and I decided on a new bag. So this is the Manfrotto Pro Light RedBee-110. Isn't it so pretty? Man, it's got that new gear smell too. I love it. And my goodness, like this is really nice looking. It has really, it feels like good padding on the back. I think it might be like a gel pad and everything like that. Yeah, I mean, it looks really good. And of course, you know, they have the branding front and center. This isn't sponsored, but I really do like Manfrotto's stuff. I have their Pixie Mini tripod. I've got their monopod. And so, since I trust their quality and everything, I wanted to look specifically for a Manfrotto bag, even though I did look at other brands, and I still had to come back to the Manfrotto just because it had everything that I was personally looking for. And so I guess we're going to dive in. Yeah, this looks pretty great from the front. You have a nice zipper in the front right here with nice little pockets, and then over here you have top access to your camera. And this isn't the only access that you're gonna have to this, but ooh, that feels nice. But I will say, tip, your camera will fit. You will want your kit lens or one of your smaller lenses, not necessarily your zoom, attached to your camera to put it in here. That's how it's going to be a lot more secure. There's not going to be much shaking and everything like that. But this is really, really nice, well padded. I really dig it. You also have these nice straps on the side where you can put in your monopod and tripod. Also, you have side access to some of the middle. I dig it. One of the things I really like about this is that it folds flat. You have this side for putting in your laptops and whatnot, and chargers and other accessories. And then it folds flat for the airport. And then here you have access to your camera and other lenses from another way. And then you have all kinds of different extras that you can put, and you can arrange this however you want. This is all Velcro. Which is really, really, really cool. And then in here is the rain cover for your bag, which is a really nice feature because it makes it to where your stuff doesn't get wet. I also like that this is mesh instead of a solid area, because you can see inside there that there's camera gear. It kind of puts the TSA at ease, and you and I both know that we want to put the TSA at ease. There's all kinds of nooks and crannies to this thing. And on the back it has this really nice strap there where you can attach it to the handle on your luggage. Man, this is pretty sweet. Well, that's gonna wrap things up for this episode of Geek Done Right. Hey, so do you have a camera backpack like this? Do you have a shoulder bag? What do you keep your gear in? Let me know in the comment section down below, and please make sure to smash that like button. It really does make my day, makes me happy to see that thumbs up, and it does help me as well. Subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell so you can make sure that you know when more episodes come up, because they are coming. And be ready for those episodes from Geek, Dunn, Ryte. Until next time, y'all take it easy. Peace.